So this is US 30 analysis for Wednesday the 23rd of May. Now let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had a gap up in the market. We've had the acceleration of momentum to the upside. We didn't quite get towards the 25,101, retested the 25,000. Had a brief bullish bounce, did seem a bit weak. The candles are pretty small in terms of open to close, suggesting that the bulls didn't have complete control of the market. Then what we did see was sell side momentum coming to the market, breaking below the 25,000. Strong sell side momentum acceleration here to the downside, breaking below the 24,864. Brief consolidation above the 200 period moving average before seeing a breakdown beyond the 200 period moving average, the 24,800, and now we've had prices come down towards this 24,700. Now, if we are to see if 24,700 doesn't hold, we're then looking for price head down towards our 24,550. Successful break from which we're then looking for prices head towards the 400 period moving average in around the 24,510. And if we do see the acceleration of momentum to the downside, we could potentially see 420 come into focus. And as we have had quite a bit of momentum over the past session or so, the levels that we are looking at here to the downside are moves beyond the 24,510. We'll be looking for 420, 238, 24,238. And if we do see acceleration beyond 24,238, we're looking for far end of range being around at 24,071. We've mentioned levels here to the downside. If we do hold the 24,700, looking for a brief bullish bounce up towards our 24,800, 24,864, and possibly back up towards our 25,000. But due to the acceleration of the momentum, if we do see a bit of a V-shaped reversal, we could see a prices head towards our 25,000 mark. We wouldn't expect prices moving much beyond the 25,000 here to the upside. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. And here on the daily chart of the US 30, on the daily chart, we can see here we've formed higher highs relative to the previous highs. We after this consolidation, we've made new highs, and what we have seen is an acceleration of momentum here to the downside. Strong close, bearish close to yesterday's candle, closing near its lows, and we've seen the momentum follow through so far today. So we'll see whether we do get that follow through beyond this area of consolidation, or whether we'll turn around and see prices retest that 25,000 mark. Overall, the trend was bullish at previously. We've had a pullback, strong move here to the upside, but we've seen a very strong acceleration in momentum here to the downside, somewhat bucking the trend, which was clearly to the upside previously. So we have to be cautious in terms of having a long bias, as there has been quite a bit of sell side momentum which has come into the market more recently. So there remains a possibility to see even a deeper retracement before seeing a upwards momentum continuation here. So we do have our lows, higher lows. There is a possibility of putting in a higher low and seeing prices head further to the upside here on the US 30. So with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.